Khao Niew Thai mango sticky rice. Ingredients: 1 cup glutinous rice, 1 cup full-fat coconut milk, 3 tablespoons granulated sugar, pinch kosher salt, 1 to 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and cut into about 1-inch slices, 1 tablespoon toasted yellow mung beans or sesame seeds, optional, for serving. Directions: in a medium bowl, wash and rinse the rice several times with cold water, about 5 to 6 rounds. It's okay if the water is still slightly cloudy. Soak the rice for a minimum of 5 hours, preferably overnight, until totally hydrated. To test if the rice is ready for steaming, rub a few grains between your fingers to see if they break apart and crumble. If so, this means the rice has absorbed the water and is ready. Drain the rice well in a fine mesh sieve. Fill a large pot with enough water to hit just below where a bamboo steamer or fine mesh sieve, use whichever you have, will sit comfortably in the pot. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. If using a steamer, line it with cheesecloth, then add the rice and smooth out the grains into an even layer. If using a sieve, place the rice in the sieve and smooth out the grains into an even layer. Place the covered steamer or the sieve over the boiling water. If using a sieve, cover with a tight-fitting lid, reduce the heat to medium or medium-low to keep the water simmering, then steam the rice for 10 to 15 minutes, or until you can scoop a small piece of it out with a spoon and it holds its form. The grains should be stuck together and chewy, but shouldn't be mushy. While the rice is steaming, in a small saucepan, bring the coconut milk to a simmer over medium heat. Whisk in the sugar and salt until completely dissolved, then turn off the heat. Scoop out 2 to 3 tablespoons of this mixture and reserve in a small bowl. Keep warm by turning off the heat and covering with a lid. Transfer the cooked rice to a medium bowl and use a fork to stir in 2 tablespoons of the coconut milk sauce at a time. Keep stirring, breaking up any lumps and adding more of the coconut sauce, until the consistency is like a thick porridge. If there is extra coconut sauce, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. Place a piece of tin foil over the bowl with the rice and set aside for 15 to 20 minutes to slowly absorb the liquid. Serve the sticky rice with sliced mangoes. Pour the reserved coconut milk sauce over the rice and top with toasted mung beans or sesame seeds, if using.